to this, you would see again our Balagokulam kids are going to say something about the great personalities of Bharat, what they have learned as a part of our Shaka activities. So I would request Suresh ji to get all that. Okay.
Yeah, as part of the Shaka, all three Karyakartas are going to tell about the 2 minutes presentation on whom they like.
I am Geet. I'm going to talk about Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. And I inspired him because he helped lead the fight for independence and fought without violence whenever he could. And his first major political event that inspired me was in 1917 when he gave a speech about demanding independence from the British. And it was outlawed at the time, so he was jailed for doing it. But he still had the courage to give the speech, which is why I was inspired by him. Also, he understood that nonviolence is the best way to gain something, but he also understood that when you have to use violence to get a greater good. And Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, when they were trying to get independence, 2 kings from Hyderabad and Jamnagar did not want to join India as a nation, but Sardar Vallabhbhai had to come up with different ways to convince them to join, and ultimately they had to join, so they were part of India at the end. So that's why I'm inspired by Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel.
Omkar.
I am Omkar, and I was inspired by Gandhiji because he led the nation to freedom without violence. So I'll tell one story about him. Children like to meet him very much, so here's a story about that. Once a boy came to meet Gandhiji, and he said, "Why aren't you wearing a kurta?" Gandhi said, I do not have kurta. So the boy said, "I will have my mother sew one for you." But Gandhi said, how many kurtas can your mother sew?" The boy said 3 or 4. So Gandhi said 3 or 4 was not enough. He had 40 crore brothers and sisters. What would he do what use would a kurta be to him without the others having one? So the boy said, "My mother cannot sew that much." And the moral of this story was that Gandhi treated everybody as his friend.
धन्यवाद साई जी.
I'm Sai Suchir. I'm going to talk about Shaheed Bhagat Singh today. Bhagat Singh was one of the most influential revolutionaries of the Indian independence movement. He was born on September 28, 1907. At 12 years old, he took the blood-filled sand at the Jallianwala massacre to remind him of the atrocities and to take an oath to oust the British from India. He worshipped this sand every day. He believed that bomb is necessary to awaken England. Why bomb? Because he believed that if the deaf are to hear the sounds to be loud, sounds has to be loud. As a teenager, he read European Revolution and got inspired. He believed in youth participation in independence movement. With him, participation of youth aggressively grew in independence has started. When in jail, he did 116 days fast to fight for equal treatment given to Indian and British prisoners, for political prisoners. Bhagat Singh's legacy promoted youth in India to begin fighting for Indian independence and also increased to rise of socialism in India. I am greatly impressed by his quote, व्यक्तियों को कुचल कर वो विचारों को नहीं मार सकते. By killing people, they cannot kill ideas. He continues to be a youth ideas in India. Nehru said he was a clean fighter who faced his enemy in open battlefield. He was like a spark that became a flame in short time and spread from one end of the country to the other, dispelling the prevailing darkness everywhere. I wish to use his ideas in the war.
Thank you, Sasha. Now can we all say Om to all the three kids?
Wonderful, Surajji. Thanks a lot. Listening to these kids who says that we are away from India, right? So we can see that this काफी कुछ भारतीय संस्कृति के बारे में भरा हुआ है. धन्यवाद to the Balagokulam and the parents who took the initiative. Now the next program we are going to have what everybody know this as a lazim. We call it as a yoga chart as well. Again, this most of you all would have seen in Bharat. Normally you see these lazims are played during the Ganesh procession. So again, it is the Indian folk dance. Mostly you will find it in Maharashtra, but as a part of other India also they will play. And today they are going to play this Yog Chant to do the Vandan to the Bharat Mata. Please. Thank you.
जननी जन्मभूमि स्वर्ग से महान है, जननी जन्मभूमि स्वर्ग से महान है।
Can we all say Om together? Oh, thank you, thanks a lot. It was wonderful again.
Just to add, there is a reason why we don't clap. There is a reason why we don't clap in Balgokula, because whatever we do it from our hearts, and that as our duty. So if you are doing something from our hearts as our duty, you don't need an external appreciation, right? You are appreciating for something which, it goes beyond and above, you don't need that. So that's why it's just our seva bhav. So everybody is just supposed to contribute as much as they can. If at all like the performance, there's a tradition here to clap, so we just substitute by saying Om. But that's that.
As Shriramji said, Om brings up with a good and positive vibration. It is a combination of O and Ma, which normally vibrates in a positive way. Now, I would request Ranjit ji to tell about the food drive.
Okay. What we'll do is, after the food donation drive, we'll split. All the Balagana